Hello, family. Is the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency analysis on all your favorite coins. And so, if you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click subscribe. And without further ado, today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 147 with a market cap of about $186 million. We have a 24-hour volume of $19 million. Quite okay right there for YFI. And today we want to be looking at what is the AI price prediction for the week right there for YFI. We are down for the day about 1.5%. And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And we saw last week that the AI said we should see some sort of sideways price action. We saw exactly that happened right here for YFI, and currently this week the AI is saying we could see some sort of little push right there for YFI above the former resistance. So we could flip that resistance as support right here to the $5,700 level. That is a just mega push of about just 5%. And so that is what the AI is saying, that we should see some sort of push of about 5% to the upside right there for YFI, right? If you also look at the cloud indicator is having some sort of retraction right on the rings, which means we could see further more sideways action right there for YFI. So let me know what you think in the comment section, right? Do you think we could see that push to the upside right here for YFI as predicted by the AI? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.